Today I will be talking about Cygnus, or also known as the Northern Cross. Cygnus is best seen in September at 9:00 p.m. The best location is with the right ascension of 21 hours and a declination of 40 degrees. Cygnus's location is between latitudes 90 and -40 degrees. Cygnus has stars known as Deneb, Rook, Saturn, Gina, and Alberio. Deneb is a blue-white supergiant with a magnitude of 1.5 and light years of 2,616 and a surface temperature of 8,525. Rook is a bluish-white giant with a magnitude of 2.87 and with a distance of Earth of 170 and a surface temperature of 4,710. Saturn is a yellow-white supergiant with a magnitude of 2.23 and a distance from Earth of 1,524.13. Gina is an orange giant with a magnitude of 2.48 and a distance from Earth of 72.6. Alberio is an orange giant with a magnitude of 3.18 and 433.8 light years and a surface temperature of 12,100. Cygnus was discovered in 1946 by the Chandra X-ray Observatory. A Greek astronomer called this constellation Cygnus because Cygnus is the Greek word for swan. It had looked like a long-necked bird with wide-spread wings. Cygnus is known as the 16th largest constellation. It also has galaxies, nebulas, and 10 stars with confirmed planets. Cygnus is also a part of the Summer Triangle. This is what the constellation Cygnus looks like. One day, there was a girl named Cygnus, and she was an artist. She enjoys painting and drawing. Cygnus wanted some inspiration, so she went into the magical forest. She had slowly walked around the trees and twigs until she noticed that something shining across the distance. It kept moving and Cygnus would follow it. She ran and ran until the object stopped. Cygnus realized that it wasn't just a magical blob, it was a star. Cygnus has read in a book before that if you encounter a moving bright star, you have one wish, so she decided to wish for something inspiring for her to draw. So the star had told Cygnus to wait until midnight and look at the sky. Cygnus waited and waited, and then she gazed up at the sky once she noticed it was 12 o'clock. Cygnus felt incredibly inspired when she had noticed that a beautiful big constellation was in the sky. Cygnus knew that the constellation was hers because her favorite animal is a swan. She then began to draw as she smiled in excitement.